I stopped. I'll take him to my side. Get your ball, babe. Leading up to a dog that's on the floor. He's already interested, so I'm going to help by going, Ottie. Come on, yeah, good. Into side, then to find the food, yes. And already marked. Luna? Yes? Good. Feeding in a heel, because that's where I want him to be. Oh no, it went in the soil. Of course it did. Yes? Yes? Delay my feed. Nice. Good. Yeah. Yes? Just the sprayer caught his attention there. There's an off-lead dog in front of us as well. Nice. Steady. It's okay. Do you want to watch what was happening over there? Good. Yeah, it's just a sprinkler. That's not going to get you. Good boy. Okay. You focus again? Nice. And we're going to do more of that with people walking faster at us, and we're going to be stationary.